Hey explorers, life is an endless tapestry of experiences. But true richness, it comes from intentional journeys, not chance encounters. Welcome to the land of wonder, where nature thrives and cultures intertwine, beckoning those who seek deeper connections. So from June 12th to the 23rd, join us in the heart of the Amazon sacred headwaters of Ecuador. Experience the essence of wisdom as you engage with the Achuar people, the guardians of this beautiful land. Immerse yourself in the energetic pulse of the rainforest, a tapestry of life waiting to be explored. Embark on transformative hikes, unveiling the hidden treasures of the rainforest trails. Engage in ancient traditions, embracing the richness of the Achuar culture. Nurture personal growth through intimate group coaching sessions, harmonizing with nature's teachings. Guiding this journey will be myself, Dean Jacobs, and Cristina Serrano, who has 25 years of Amazon rainforest immersion and sacred connections to the Achuar people. This transformative journey sparks a profound appreciation for life, weaving unforgettable moments into your being, into your spirit, that will carry you forward with you for a lifetime. So are you ready to embark on this life-altering adventure? Visit our website or contact us today to begin your journey into the heart of the Amazon. This is Dean Jacobs Adventures.